Cloudy Code versus Cursor in 2026. After all the recent updates, which AI coding tool is actually better? If you are a developer, a student, or just someone who wants to build apps faster, this comparison will help you to choose in under 4 minutes. And for now, let's get straight into it. What these tools actually are. Cloud Code, it's Anthropic's AI coding assistant built around the Cloudy model. Works as an intelligent pair programmer, understands large code bases, writes functions, fixes bugs, and explains logic. Strong focus on reasoning, clean architecture, and safety. Cursor. Cursor is an AI first code editor, basically a supercharged IDE. It integrates multiple AI models and gives you chat, inline edits, terminal help, and full project awareness. Designed to replace VS Code for AI driven development. Key difference: Cloudy Code equal primarily an AI assistant, Cursor a complete development environment with AI built in. Coding accuracy and quality. Cloudy Code is better for deep reasoning. It writes more structured maintenance code and follows best practices without being asked. Cursor is faster for day-to-day edits, great at autocomplete, refactoring, and generating whole files instantly. Winner for quality Cloudy Code, winner for speed Cursor. Working with big projects. Cloudy Code recently improved its context window so it can understand large repositories and complex logic flows. Cursor still feels smoother when navigating between files, components, and terminals because it lives inside the editor. If you are working on huge enterprise projects, Cloudy Code handles reasoning better. But for startups, web apps, quick prototypes, Cursor feels more practical. Features that matter in 2026. Cloudy Code strength, better explanations of code, more reliable debugging steps, strong ad system design, safer output for production. Core strength, inline code editing, AI chat inside the IDE, one click migrations and refactors, works with multiple AI models. Pricing, Cloudy Code usually charges based on usage or subscription tiers. Cursor offers monthly plans with unlimited or capped AI generations. Cursor tends to be cheaper for heavy daily coding. Cloudy can get expensive if you generate large complex tasks. Who should choose what? Choose Cloudy Code if you care about clean architecture, if you work on complex logic, if you need detailed explanations, if you build back-end or enterprise systems. Choose Cursor if you want the latest workflow, if you do web or app development, if you need an all-in-one IDE, if you prefer editing over chatting. Final verdict. In 2026, there isn't one perfect winner. It depends on your workflow. For pure intelligence and code quality, Cloudy Code wins. For real world productivity and speed, Cursor wins. And most developers will actually use both Cloudy for thinking and Cursor for building. And that's all for today's video. If you find this comparison helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.